Welcome to Burton Yoga Studio. Thank you for joining us for the pose of the week. We're going to do the staff pose. Start with stretching your muscles. Also consult your doctor to make sure it's okay for you to do yoga poses. Start with stretching your arms. You can stretch your back, your legs. Whatever you do to stretch your muscles, do that before doing any poses. We're going to start with coming down on the mat into tabletop. Down on the mat into tabletop. And then we're going to stretch out, going onto our belly. Once you're here, separate your legs and your shoulders, and then bring your hands right beside your shoulders or just underneath your shoulders. Tuck your toes, and you can slightly come up onto your knees, and you're going to push up as if you're doing a push-up, and come up and hold it here, and we're in staff pose. Hold it and breathe. Hold it as long as you can, and then come down onto your knees, and then back onto your belly, letting your toes come back down, and then you're going to slowly come up into tabletop, and come back up into your standing position to get into mountain pose. Rolling your shoulders as you come up. I thank you so much for joining me for the pose of the week. Try this pose each day this week. Namaste.